we learned the expressions and some rules about how to frame the expressions in the last class. Now some more examples I am giving you today. Write the expression. Multiply x by 3 and then subtract from y. So how to make the expression? Subtract from y. So first y we have to write subtract multiply x by 3. Here the coefficient is 3 and the variable is x. So we must write the coefficient first and then variable. So the answer is y minus 3x. Next example, multiply y by 3 and then subtract x. Then subtract x. So x will be the last, subtraction of the last. Multiply by 3. The coefficient is 3 and the variable is y. 3y minus x. Next, subtract 3 from y and then multiply by x. Then multiply by x by what? Multiply by both the terms. So you have to use the bracket for this multiplication. So what you have to write? Subtract 3 from y. From y. So the variable y and then subtract 3 multiply by 3 multiply by x. So both the term you have to use the bracket and in front of the bracket you have to write x. It means x multiply y minus 3. Next one, multiply x by y and then subtract 3. Multiply x by y. It means xy. And then subtract 3. Subtract x from y, then multiply 3. Subtract x from y. From y. Y minus x. Then multiply by 3. By both the terms, multiply by, use the bracket, outside you have to write 3. So these examples you have to understand it, how to frame the expressions, okay. Then next question, write an expression for the perimeter of a triangle is given here. The sides are given 2x, 4x and 5x. And the definition of perimeter you learn in the lower classes. Perimeter means somewhere around the figure. For triangle there are 3 sides, so you should add all the 3 sides, the length of the sides you should add. So perimeter is equal to, you have to write the expression for the perimeter of triangle, equal the sum around the side. Sum around the side, you should do the plus. Algebraic addition, you know how to add. The coefficient we should add first. 2 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 5 11. 11x is the answer. Perimeter equals 11x. Second example for perimeter is given the question as for a rectangle. Rectangle, perimeter, you know the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle, the formula is 2 into L plus B. 2 times length and 2 times breadth, the length around the figure. It means as a formula we can write 2 into L plus B. L is the length and B is the breadth. So here the length is given 4y and the breadth is given 3x. So just to substitute only 2 bracket 4y plus 3x. Perimeter. So this is the expression. You cannot add this because both are different variables. Third question I am giving you as a word problem. A pencil costs 75 cents and a ruler costs 98 cents. Write down an expression for the total cost in dollars for X pencil and Y rulers. You should add, you know how to find out the cost, we should add the cost. How many pencils are there? X pencils with the 75 cents, but the answer should be in dollar. So converted to dollar, it become 0.75 dollar. How many pencils? X pencils plus Y rulers 0.98 Y. So this is the expression for the cost. If you write the cents, no need to write the decimal. 75 x plus 98 y. Now the question they are asking as the dollar, so you have to convert it into dollar. Next topic, multiplication of algebraic terms. Addition we learned before. So multiplication, what are the rules? The basic rules, you should understand it. X multiply x multiply x. So the same variable, you should add the power. The power here it is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So answer is x raised to 3. X multiply x square. Also the same variables. The power it is here 1 and this is 2. So while adding it become 3. So answer is x raised to 3. The third example, 4xy multiply 3x. Here the coefficient first you have to multiply. 4 multiply 3, 12. And then you have to separate the variables. X and x here. So here the power is 1 and here also power 1. So x raised to 2. And y only once. Why we can write like this. 4p square. Next example. 4p square multiply 2q multiply 5p. Same way the coefficient you have to multiply. 4 multiply 2 multiply 5. 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. The variables, same variable, the like terms, p and p. Here p square and here p1. So p cube, we should add the power, and q only once. One more, 2xy the whole square. So each number, the number 2 times, x 2 times, y 2 times, that's the meaning. 2 square, x square, y square. 2 square you know 4, x square and y square both are different variables, so we have to write like the same. So answer is 4x square, y square. You have any doubts? You have to share with me, okay?